Hi YouTube, I'm Taylor. Welcome to Ginger Next Door. Today's video is going to be a really fun one because it's time for my Fab Fit Fun Winter unboxing. For those of you who don't know, Fab Fit Fun is a really cool subscription box. They do it 4 times a year, so it's one for every season. It's $50 and then you get just like a crap ton of cool stuff. So here we go. The reveal. You can't tell what's in here because you can't see it. This is the little book that comes with your stuff so you know what everything is. This is a HelloFresh card. If anyone wants this, send me a message and I'll give you the code. Oh, if you want to join Fab Fit Fun and want $10 off, again, send me a message on Instagram and I'll send you the code for this thing. It saves you $10 on your first box. Inside of this says, Fab Fit Fun, find your cozy. So that makes me excited that there's going to be lots of cute, fun winter things in here. Oh! There is lots of cozy things in here. This says Mark and Graham personalized gifts. Is this a blanket? It's gotta be, right? It's either a blanket or a scarf, but I feel like it's large. Oh no, it is a giant scarf. Oh, this is so cozy. No wait, is it a blanket? What are you? Is this a blanket or a scarf? Or is it both? It feels great. This is really soft and fun. Oh, and staticky. Oh, hoy hoy. Oh no, what have I done? The next thing I'm seeing here is this. This says, Bear Paw, live life comfortably. What? Live life comfortably. I think I'm gonna stop guessing and just open it and see what it is. It's gloves and a warm headband thingy. This is great. If I did outdoor activities, these would be amazing. I love cute fingerless gloves, and they have the little thing, so if you want to, you can turn them into a mitten. This is from the brand Black. It says this is an eye mask plus hyaluronic acid. That's exciting because I love eye masks. Oh, these are a charcoal eye mask. I've never used a charcoal eye mask before. I always love trying out new eye masks. That's one of my favorite things I've been really loving lately is an under eye mask to help with puffiness and, you know, brightening. Look how beautiful this box is. Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Yes! We love dry shampoo. What does this say to me? Free of parabens, sulfates, and sodium chloride. That's good. I just washed my hair today, but that's okay. We're going to try it anyways. This packaging is so beautiful. Oh, I don't think I said the brand. This is Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Says shake it. Oh my, okay. That is intense. Oh, I'm gonna light myself on fire spraying this right by that candle. I like the smell of that. It reminds me of the Mary-Kate and Ashley perfumes. I can't remember what that's called, but that's what this smells like. You guys, I can't believe I just sprayed this right by a candle. The next thing in here is in a cute box. This says Elevate 2 essential oils. Oh, essential oils, very fancy. This says eucalyptus plus sweet orange. What do these do for me? Does it tell me? This on the back says revitalizing eucalyptus and energizing sweet orange. They smell amazing. I wonder what they are going to cure for me. Hopefully a lot of things. The next thing in here is this Ahava face mask. This is a hydration cream mask. It says apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave on all night. I always love a face mask, so this is just a hydration one. That's cool that you can leave it on overnight and get some extra moisture in your skin. The front of this says Sherry Matthews Acupuncture. That's how my mom spells her name. This is a jade roller. This says use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upward direction around the face, neck, and under eyes. I have a couple of friends who have jade rollers and are like all about. I think it's an anti-aging thingy to help your skin look young and fresh and stuff. It's nice. It's really good. It's cold. I feel younger already. Oh, it says for an extra special treat, pop in the fridge for extra cooling. I bet it feels really nice on your puffy under eyes. The next thing in here is something that I've used many times and really like. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. This is an age-defying exfoliator. I love exfoliation stuff. I think it's fantastic. Like I said, I've used this before, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it works really well, and it doesn't give me any kind of issues with breakouts or sensitivity or anything like that, so this I like, and it's always good to have another one because I use it like crazy. The last thing in here I'm really excited about, this is from the brand Thrive Cosmetics. I've never used any of their stuff. They seem like a really good brand. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener highlighting stick. This says shine bright with a long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology. Powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Apply to brow bone. Have I ever read before? Apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of eyes. So basically rub it all over your entire face. Great. Oh. Oh yes, this will do. That's so shiny. It's not like I can really see what's happening because I'm trying to do this in my viewfinder, but I'm excited about this. I feel like this is something I'm gonna really, really love. Can you see? Can you tell that that's shiny from over there? I mean, it's catching a little bit. Okay, so that's it for my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna go work on looking anti-aged. Goodbye.